This is one of my go-to styles when I want my hair up off my neck, but I also want it to look a little fancy. Do not shy away from texture spray with this style. You'll need it for the bobby pins to hold the hair. Start by dividing the hair in 2 sections and begin on the bottom section of the hair. Use a fine-tooth comb to back comb the bottom section of your hair. That's going to give you the base that the bobby pins can grip into. Gather your hair loosely like you're going to put it in a ponytail, but instead just slip a couple bobby pins into it and begin twisting the hair onto itself, pinning as you go. When you move to the top section, you may not need to back comb as much since you have that first bun you created to stick the pins into, but do the same method of folding the hair a bit as if you're going to pull it into a ponytail and continue making a circular pattern, pinning as you work around. It helps to have a hand mirror to check if there are any loose pieces, but don't make it overly perfect. You want it to look relaxed and effortless.